हेलो एवरीवन, आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट। तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी। ओके, कोई भी कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर z इक्वल टू व्हाट, अल्फा प्लस आइटा बीटा। ओके, वेयर अल्फा कॉमा बीटा बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर्स एंड आइटा इक्वल टू व्हाट, रूट और -1। ओके, so if this complex number lies on positive real axis, this is what, positive real axis, this one is positive imaginary axis, this one is negative real axis, and this one is what, negative imaginary axis. Okay, now if z will lie on positive real axis, so z will lie on this one, then principal argument is what, 0. Okay, and for finding general argument we will add 2k pi. Okay, where k belongs to what, integer. Okay, so that is your argument of z. Okay, so in this case z is what, purely positive real number. Z is what, purely positive real number. Next case is what, if z lies on this one. Okay, that means z is lying here. This one is what, on this one is what, purely negative real number. Then argument of z will be, here principal argument is what, pi. Okay, and we will add what, 2k pi for general argument, where k belongs to what, integer. Okay, next is what, if z lies here. Okay, so in this one what will come, positive purely imaginary number. Okay, then argument of z is, okay, principal argument is what, pi by 2. Principal argument is what, pi by 2, plus for general we had to add 2k pi, where k belongs to what, integer. And last is what, if z lies here, then argument of z will be what, minus pi by 2 plus 2k pi, where k belongs to what, integer. Okay, and here what will come, negative purely imaginary number. Okay, if z is negative purely imaginary number, then argument of z is minus pi by 2 plus 2k pi, and if z equal to 0, then argument of 0 is undefined. Second property is argument of z1 into z2. This is equal to what, argument of z1 plus argument of z2 plus 2k pi, where k belongs to what, integer. Okay, this one we are writing because we want to write general argument. Okay, so that's why we are writing 2k pi. Okay, so argument of z1 into z2 we can write as what, argument of z1 plus argument of z2 plus 2k pi, where k belongs to what, integer. Okay, now we'll do proof. Proof is very simple. Okay, z1 we can write as what, modulus of z1 into e power iota theta 1, where theta 1 is what, theta 1 is argument of z1. Okay, and z2 we can write as what, modulus of z2 into e power iota theta 2, where theta 2 is your argument of z2. Okay, then if you multiply these two, so what will come, z1 into z2, so what will come, modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 into e power iota in bracket theta 1 plus theta 2. If you multiply these two, we can write e power iota theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, so from here we can say that theta 1 plus theta 2 is nothing but what, argument of z1 into z2. Okay, so theta 1 plus theta is your argument of z1 into z2, and theta 1 is what, argument of z1. So here what will come, argument of z1 plus theta 2 we can add what, argument of z2. Okay, and this is equal to what, argument of z1 into z2. Okay, so if you add here plus 2k pi, okay, So this we can generalize. Okay, so argument of z1 into z2 we can write like that. Okay, and we are writing 2k pi because we want to generalize this one where k belongs to what? Integer. So this is the proof of second property. Third property is argument of z1 divided by z2. So this is equal to what? Argument of z1 minus argument of z2 plus 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. This is property number 3. Okay, now we'll do proof also. So for this one also z1 we are taking what? Modulus of z1 into e power iota theta 1, and z2 we are taking what? Modulus of z2 into e power iota theta 2. Now what is z1 by z2? z1 by z2 equal to what? Modulus of z1 divided by modulus of z2 into e power what will come? Iota theta 1 minus theta 2. So from here we can say that argument of z1 by z2 equal to what? Theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 minus theta 2. This is your argument of z1 by z2. Okay, so here theta 1 is what? Theta 1 is what? Argument of z1. Okay, so argument of z1 by z2 equal to theta 1 is what? Argument of z1. Argument of z1 minus theta 2 is what? Theta 2 is what? Argument of z2. Argument of z2. Okay, and here we can add what? 2k pi for generalizing. 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. Okay, because general argument is what? This one plus 2k pi. Okay, next property is property number 4. In this one, argument of z power n, this is equal to what? N times argument of z plus 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. अब हम इसका प्रूफ करते हैं. Okay, so argument of z power n we can write what? Z into z into z. How many times? N times. Okay, अब हम यहाँ पे यूज कर रहे हैं प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2. Okay, so this one we can write what? Argument of z plus argument of z. How many times? N times. Okay, and we have to add last plus 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. So this will come what? N times argument of z plus 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. So this is property number 4. Next property is property number 5. In this one, argument of z bar. Argument of z bar is what? Minus of argument of z plus 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. Okay, so here z should not be equal to 0. If z is 0, then argument of z bar is not possible. Okay, z bar is what? Undefined. Okay, now we know that z bar is what? Modulus of z square. Okay, z bar is what? Modulus of z square. Then from here we can say that z bar equal to what? Modulus of z square divided by z, and we know that z is what? Not equal to 0. Okay, we want argument of z bar, so we are applying here argument of z bar. Okay, so argument of z bar equal to argument of modulus of z square divided by z. This will come. यहाँ पर हम प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 3 यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो यहाँ से हम लिख सकते हैं आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z बार इक्वल टू आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ मॉडुलस ऑफ z स्क्वायर, आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ मॉडुलस ऑफ z स्क्वायर माइनस आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z. ओके, and extra we have to add plus 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. This will come. So यहाँ से हम बोल सकते हैं आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z bar. ओके, मॉडुलस ऑफ z स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर. ओके, और जब भी पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर है तो आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या होगा? 0. सो दिस विल कम व्हाट? 0 माइनस आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z प्लस 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. तो यहाँ से हम बोल सकते हैं आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z bar इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट ऑफ z प्लस 2k pi where k belongs to what? Integer. So this is what? Property number 5. Next property is what? Property number 6. In this one, argument of z1 divided by z2 equal to what? Theta. Then it implies that argument of z2 divided by z1. Okay, if you interchange this one, okay, so what will come? Minus theta plus 2k pi, where k belongs to what? Integer. This will come. अब हम इसका प्रूफ करते हैं. Proof. So this one we can write what? Argument of z1 minus argument of z2 and this is equal to what? Theta. यहाँ पर हम क्या करें? Multiply करें with -1. So what will come? Minus of argument of z1 plus argument of z2 equal to minus theta. तो यहाँ से क्या आ जाएगा? Argument of z2 divided by z1 equal to what? Minus theta. In this one we can add plus 2k pi. Okay, for generalizing. And k belongs to what? Integer. And theta is what? Theta is what? Argument of z1 by z2. Okay.